last year when COVID hit, one of the things we recognized very quickly is that even though we had a beautiful auditorium that had really served our church well for many decades, we were way behind technologically. And so we reached out to Messenger, and they have come alongside us. They have helped us really begin to reach not just our community, but the world for Jesus. And even all this week, as they've come back in again to help install our LED boards, they're enabling us to minister to our church and our community. The center screen that they installed that drops during our COVID cautious service allows us to live stream from our West Campus, which again enables us to minister to those who are very concerned about the virus, or perhaps they work in a profession or work for an employer that requires them to take those extra steps to have lots of space. And so 50 to 100 people in a 1,000-seat auditorium, there's all kinds of room. And so Messenger has enabled us again to continue to minister to our church family, our local community, and literally around the world to get the good news of the gospel out.